How to hide phone number in WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can hide our phone number in WhatsApp. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you wish to hide your phone number in WhatsApp, it's actually simple for us to do so. All we have to do is, if you open up WhatsApp right here, then you tap the three dots icon, then you go to settings. Then you go to privacy. Here you can see we can hide last seen online, profile photo and so on, or even about, but unfortunately we cannot hide our phone number. Now the reason this is because WhatsApp is based on a phone number. It's a phone number application, not an email address application, not a username application. So someone can only add you if you reveal your phone number to them. That's why WhatsApp maybe does not have it. But I understand your question. Maybe that you are in a public group that someone added you, and everybody within the group is able to find your phone number and view it. But unlike Telegram, we do not have the option to hide our phone number from the general public. Hopefully in the future, if WhatsApp might come up with an update, I'll make sure to update you about it. Until then, stay subscribed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.